Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to easily transfer your domain from one server to another. If you ever register one domain with a company but to renew it with a new company like Namecheap, this video for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First of all, we need to make sure the domain is eligible for transfer. Let's head over to the Namecheap. On the home page, click on Transfer to Us. Then search for your domain. As you can see, I have entered my domain here and it says the domain is eligible for transfer. Now let's move on the next step. Step 2. Unlock the domain. Next, we need to unlock the domain. Domains are often locked to prevent unauthorized transfer, so we have to disable that. So let's go to the domain management section in our current registered dashboard. As you can see, the domain status is currently locked. We are going to disable it by switching this option off. Now the domain is unlocked and ready for transfer. Step 3. Collect authorization code. Next, we need to authorization code, also known as the EPP code. This code is essential for transferring your domain. Let's click on Get EPP code. And here we have it. I will copy this code and now we are ready to move on. Now back to Namecheap. I will paste the authorization code into the required field and click Verify Auth code. The code is verified. Now we can proceed by adding the domain transfer to cart. I will skip the payment part, but from here you just need to enter your payment details. Complete the billing process and domain transfer will start. That's it. Transferring a domain to Namecheap is really simple when you follow these steps. If you have any questions or need any further help, feel free to comment below and I will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful content.